I've got the Obtainium app on the home screen. Let's learn how you can install or add the apps in Obtainium. Let's open the Obtainium firstly. And there are several sections at the bottom. We can go to the second tab here, Add App. There's two methods to add the apps. You can directly input the app source URL or you can just search. If you want to use the search feature, tap on supported sources. And these are the sources of which the apps can be searched directly. Tap on OK. We can use the search feature. Tap on the search box and write the name of the app that you want to install. For example, Tormox. You're going to tap on search here. Now check the sources from where you want to search the app. For example, I want to search the app from GitHub. Select the GitHub. If you want to search from any of the sources, for example, you have Droid, I've input two sources and tap on select. Now we're going to have to wait. And it gives you several search results. Now read the description of the app and find the app that you want to install. In my case, this is the first one here, Tormox, which is the terminal emulator application for Android. So tap on the first one here, select, and just tap on pick here and simply tap on add now. It's going to begin downloading the app from GitHub. Now you'll get the install button at the bottom. Tap on install. If it's your first time adding the apps to Obtainium, you're going to have to allow permission to install the unknown apps. Enable allow from the source and go back. Install here. And thus the app has been installed. It's that easy. So that's how you can install the apps in Obtainium. Like this video and subscribe to this channel.